Hey everybody, I'm going to take and do a second here, kind of do an update on the 67 Chevelle. We actually just got the motor back from the machine shop. It's a one-piece rear main seal, Chevrolet 4-bolt main. I'm thinking, by the way, this motor came out of something weird. It's got the weirdest coat on the front I've ever seen. It might be a boat. Looks like it's about a 1990. Looks like a 1410148 block. We got her punched over 30. It is a hydraulic roller. Just to show you what I'm talking about, it's a VH block. So I don't know what that is. It's not normal like Suffolk's. No VIN, no nothing on it. Roller, got all the roller stuff to go in it. And my favorite is part 4 bolts mains. Oh yeah, 148. It's got brass in there because you need that. Also neat is it was forged crank. This is a crank that came out of it. It is the 14088532, which is now stamped 1010. Got to pull that off. It's cleaned up. So what I'm doing is trying to build a good all-around motor. This is really the motor I've always wanted to have in the car. I got the transmission rebuilt. Harry's hooked me up on it. It should be pretty nice. Got a 3000 jeg stall. We switched over to the turbo spline input shaft. So it should be pretty nice. We also have a set of heads here. These are some of the eBay cheap sets. It has brand new, made in America intake valves on it. We got the PBM springs, locators, retainers, all that's PBM on it. We did a 7/16 rocker stud. I'm waiting on the bolts for the heads and the rings and bearings and all to go in it. So we're going to do all that, set it all up. But this thing's going to be a little different. I want to show you kind of what's going to go inside of this car, which I still need to paint that inner fender over there. So really quickly, some more stuff about it. I'm going to run, it's a Elgin 480. I think it's on a 230 duration cam, but I'll run the 1.6 rockers. So it'll be like 512. Perfect for pump gas street car. Once again, the aluminum heads. We got some nice, I'll show you the pistons and all to go in it. We got the forged flat top speedpros, the L2256 forged. We got the forged rods, decent bolts in it, pressed on. It should be okay for what I'm planning on doing. So we have to do that. We've got to set the ring gap, which I need to check that out later and see what the ring gap they call for, because it's more of a street motor. Now, what's going to be neat with this setup, though, I am going to run my freshly jet hot Elderbrock SY1 intake manifold. So yeah, if you can see real quick how high that is, it's pretty insane. We're going to run that on top of that motor. We're going to paint it back orange, because what other color you paint a small block Chevy? With my, slant edge script bow covers. That's going to go all together on that to go in here. So it should be pretty wicked. I still need to order roller rockers too. I got the good Felpro gaskets coming. Got all brand new stainless steel intake bolts. I think I'm going to run the M55A oil pump. So the Z28 high pressure standard volume pump on this bad boy. Should be pretty nice. And like I said, I still got to get the cam too. So we're just kind of piecing it together. It should be pretty okay. Need to once again clean up in here, get this stuff ready. So it should pull okay vacuum. I think that cam is a 110 LSA, so it shouldn't be too bad. It should actually have pretty decent vacuum. It might be a 108. But if you don't mind, just stay tuned. Got some assembly lube, got the stud for the oil pump. She should be pretty wicked looking. And we got all these other projects and stuff here. Engines. There's 68 Camaro, 327. There's Tommy's 350. There's another 350, 305 heads. And this is, by the way, going to be the motor going in that 72 Nova. You'll see it's got 186 head, stainless roller rockers in it. Got some pretty good stuff in it. Ain't no cheap motor. So it is I think it's 2-bolt main. It might be a 4-bolt actually. That's the thing, I think it is a 4-bolt main motor right there. So we'll stick it in there. I got another set of valve covers. I got those I think I'll put on it. Put in that and the Nova. But like I said, stay tuned. We'll put this together. Rocker studs, guide plates. Gotta order push rods too. I can't forget to do that. You need to make me a little list. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.